So guys, welcome to Number Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to do a petty flyer, an event flyer in Pixellab. So without wasting much of our time, let's go down into the business of today. So the first thing I have to do right now is to bring out my background I'm using. So I go to my gallery and select my background for it. So let me check my download. Go to this is the background I'm using. Go to that background. So after you done with the background, the next thing you have to do right now is to click on crop again. Then click this white something that is showing, just white something, this white down. You click on it and you go to relative size, you increase to 100. So can you see it right now? You just move it up a little bit, just move it here a little bit. This is not the size that we use for it, but I don't use any other size for it. So let's go. So you place it like this, you make sure it is well placed. Then you cut to your layer, then you lock it. So after you lock it finish, let's go to the right now. You should click on plus button, then you bring out this. After you bring it out, you can actually crop it a little bit. Crop it. Good. Then you bring them down like this. Bring them down. Good. So we are moving forward. Good. So after that, you lock it through. So the next thing we do right now is to go to what this is. So I'm using this image. Just crop it. You're using this image. Good. So after you do that, finish. You increase it. Then you crop this one that is showing. This night party. This not showing. Not crop it. Then just crop it. Go to your crop and crop it. Good. Just crop it. So after you're done with that, increase it a little bit. Good. Increase it. Good. Then go to your layer and place it under here. Good. So can you see it right now? Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to lock it. Just place it at the middle very well. Then you lock it. So after locking it, you go back to your gallery to pick out another image that we are using. And so this is the image we are using. So actually, you crop this, crop it. Just leave it like this. Leave this thing that is showing here. Good. Showing here. Just leave it. Good. So after that, just increase it a little bit, and you place it on top of this, on top of R. So just let it be balanced. Can you see right now that it will show that I have another layer there? It will show that there's something under R. So good. So after that, you got to your layer and you lock it back. So can you see we are locking everything? So after that, there's something we need to bring it outside. So that is something they call shine. So this, let me look for this shine something. Let me check if okay. So this is it. So this is sunshine. After that, you come here, then you place it here. So can you see it? So you can actually crop it. Just crop it a little bit the way they are right here present. You crop it. After that, you crop this one again. You duplicate it and you place it again. So can you see right now? So after that, next I'm going to do right now is to write our text. The first day is Friday. So just write a Friday. Yeah, capital letter. Then you go to your font and you give it Bebasnue font. Bebasnue font. So I'm using Bebasnue from Bebasnue regular. So you actually good. You increase it. So actually you lock those one because they are large. So you increase it a little bit. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to place it under. Go to here and place it under here. So can you see that you place it under here? So that's gone under. So that's gone under. You can actually decrease a little bit. Let's decrease a little bit. Decrease it. Increase it small. Cool. So after you're done, the next thing you're going to do now is to duplicate it. So after you duplicate it, you go to your color, then you give it something like this, something like this. So you give something like this. Then can you see nothing is showing again? So after that, you go to your stroke, then give it another something stroke. So you give it a white stroke. Then you can actually decrease it to 2 or 1. After that, you place it here, you place it under here. So you go to your layer, you place it at the back of this place. So let's go. Cool. So can you see right now that it's making sense? That it's making sense. Good. So after that, the next thing we are going to do right now is to write our date, the time, the event is taking time. So you go to your next your text button. Okay, you are still good to go. So you just write 23rd or any date you want to give to it. 23rd June 2022. So good. So you change the capital letter. You know I love capital letter very well. Just reduce it a little bit. Then you go to your font and you give it something. Give it something semi-bold. Yeah, or give it Poppins semi-bold. Poppins semi-bold is okay for it. Then you actually you cut it like this. Then go to your align. Then you give it the middle align. Good. So they call it justify here, but we usually call it middle align. So you place it here. Good. So you place it there. So after you place it there, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to duplicate it. Then you write the time. The event will start to 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So you give it capital letter also. Then you bring it down here. Then you can actually use the alignment to make sure they align together. You know, alignment is just not like straight. So actually it's two. So can you see right now that they are aligned together? Good. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to click this click this, duplicate it, then you write host, change the capital letter, then you actually increase it, then bring it down here. Then this host you have to change it to something red. Good. So can you see it red? So just bring it down. So you have to make sure they align with this. Now we are working with alignment. So check this alignment here too. If this is aligned together. So can you see it is not aligned together? So click on here and you make it align. Good. So after that, next thing I'm going to do right now is to duplicate this host. Duplicate it. Then you write DJ Nelson, or I don't even know the DJ I gave to it. DJ Nelson. Then DJ Sam about the code. So you give it like this. Then you go to your align. You know, you give it this align before this middle, so you change to right back. Good. So after that, you change this. You change it to white. You go back to your color, then you change it to white color. Good. So can you see we are actually moving forward? So you just move this one a little bit to the up. We are still writing that thing under here. So actually now decrease this one a little bit, then you place it here. So you have to make sure that they are aligned together. So use operation key to make sure it is aligned together. So you know, crowd design is all about alignment. And don't let me say it's all about alignment. It's all about a little bit. Good. So we are good to go. So after you write this, finish. The next thing I'm going to write is, so let me check what I wrote there. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, just copy this DJ some password, copy it, then you write free parking, X. This the X. Where is the X? Thanks. Free food. Free food. Sorry. Then you give it hook. I don't understand the meaning of hook, but you actually better than me. If you know what hook is, then you are a sport person. But let's go. So you place it at the middle. So you go to your lazy position, then you click the middle. So you know what the middle is. So this is the middle. So you click. So you place it there. So you have to make sure it's at the middle. So let's go. So it's at the middle. So after that, next thing I'm going to do right now. So just copy this free parking. Just copy the free parking. Then you write at the at the badge national and the national cake center. Good. So that is the so that is the place they are using like the address. So it's not a must you put address something there. So just as to make this one to be go up, then this one to be go up, it to go up. Good. So after that, you go to your shape. So bring out this one. You have to make it small a little bit, increase it to go like this, and you actually increase it. Actually make it small. Good. Okay. Good. So this is what I want. I want a space to be at the down side a little bit. Good. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do, just copy this one. Then you write the name of the site, evento.com. To change it to capital letter, then you place it under here. Yeah. Then go to your size, your color. Then change to black color. Good. So you can see right now that it is well placed and it is well aligned. But we are not done with our work. We still have a lot of work to do. So let's go back to the work we are going to do. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your plus button, click on text, then you click on night. Good. So you write it like this, and after you do that, go to your color. Okay, good. Give it white color. Yeah, give it white color. Then go to your font. Then change it to this font that I use. So let me check. I think I use Buttershine script. I don't know if it's Buttershine script, but I don't know what. Okay, I will actually write the name under. I will find out the name under. So after that, you give it that font. Then you go to your size. You actually increase the size to place it here. So after that, you place it like this. So you duplicate the the night. So you give it another color, give it red color, then you place it on top. Can you see right now that it's making sense? So you can see how we write it. They will be like it. Nobody will know that it is they will think it is what they call it, stroke, but they won't know that it is not stroke. So this actually, you can actually just place on top of it. Let it show. Can you see it? Just let it show. That's how you can place it. It won't show. It's like it will play that it won't show, but let it be like it is shadow and it is showing. So this one is also okay, but let me do the first one. So can you see right now that it's actually the first one I put there. So good. So this is how you can actually do it. So you just copy one of it. You copy one of it, then you write party. So you write a party like this also. Party. So you write your party, just reduce it a little bit. Then you go to your color and give it white color. Cool. So can you see that we are done with this? So this actually don't take time. So this is actually good for us to start. So thank you for watching up to now. So if you are new here, just kindly click this subscription button and don't forget to share and don't forget to like the comment and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive more of this tutorial from us. So thank you for watching up to now. So after that, you just go to your save it as an image, save it as PNG and as very high or ultra, but I use very high most of the time. So we are done. So thank you for watching up to now.